Hello guys, this is Anil. Today we are going to be talking about idioms. It's very hard to learn, but the way I will tell you the examples, so you will understand very easily. So let's start. First idiom is that to give someone a ring. To give someone a ring. It means telephone somebody, to telephone somebody, to someone on a bus. It means किसी को कॉल करना, किसी को कॉल करना. अब हम इसको एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझेंगे. I'll give you ring tomorrow. मैं कल आपको कॉल करूँगा. Now next idiom is to go Dutch. To go Dutch means to share the cost of something, especially meal. Sharing restaurant bills. It means होता है रोहन and Rohit has decided to dine out. They go Dutch. It means रोहन और रोहित ने डिसाइड करा बाहर खाने जाने के लिए और उन दोनों ने रेस्टोरेंट के बिल शेयर किए. To go Dutch. Third idiom is to go without saying. To go without saying. It means होता है कि कुछ बातें बिना कहे समझ जानी चाहिए. It is to be generally understood or accepted. इसको इंग्लिश में इस तरीके से बोला गया है. Smoking is injurious to health. It is go without saying. Next idiom is to have another thing coming. To have another thing coming. It means it is to be greatly mistaken. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं. If he thinks he can fool me, he has another thing coming. Now next idiom is to have time off. A period of time that is free from employment or school. Example, it's have time off on Shivratri to celebrate with family. To have one's heart set on. To have one's heart set on. It means to want something very much. To want something very much. I have my heart set on to that corner house. One more time I am just telling you. I have my heart set on that corner house. Now next, to keep one's head. It means keep patience. It is very important to keep one's head ड्यूरिंग क्राइसिस. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि क्राइसिस के दौरान आप काम रहें, मतलब शांत रहें. नेक्स्ट idiom is to keep up with. To move as quickly as someone else. To move as quickly as someone else. She likes to keep up with latest fashions. She likes to keep up with the latest fashions. And that is example of keep up with. Now next, to knock it off. To knock it off. To knock it off means stop doing something. Stop doing something. मैंने बंद कर दिया मेरी बीमारी की वजह से वर्कआउट करना. I am to knock it off workout due to illness. Now next and last idiom is to know by sight. To recognize the face. To recognize the face but not know the name. To recognize the face but not know the name. So these are the idioms. Again, I am just telling you that first is to give someone a ring, to go Dutch, to go without seeing, to have time off, to have heart set on, keep one's head, keep up, knock it off, know by sight. So these are the idioms. I hope you all have understood very well. So please guys, if you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like.